Hello guys, and welcome to weekly tracking here on Pound USD. Let's look at the daily time frame in this style quickly. So far so good. I made some changes on my analysis. You know, sometimes you need to clean up and reanalyze so you could see the markets clearer. I've been using one setup that I've been using for months, so I had to do some cleanups, right? This is our business, so this is what we do. On the daily time frame, we could see prices at a very important region, and price has been raging in the past couple of days. And what I'm expecting currently is, if price doesn't break this region at 3640, 3645 region, 3650 psychological level, then we'll be expecting price to continue rolling down. All right, for the least of it, a touch of this trend line, a break of it, a retest of this region, and we see price roll over to the next important zone, which is at 3550. All right, without further ado, let's just look at the other tile on the lower time frame perspective. So we'll be keeping an eye on this daily time frame. On this time frame here, on this tile, sorry, let's start from the 4 hours. On the 4 hours already, we see price approaching a key level, and on the 1 hour time frame here, we see price coming to look for coming to this resistance zone here. So I'll be looking for a rejection pattern in the 15 minutes time frame. I'll be shorting it, and my stop loss just above this region. I'm looking for probably a stop loss of 20 pips, 15 pips, yeah, because I'll be entering at the lower time frame. So so market almost tricked me into going into an entry after this close of 30 minutes right here with a pin bar. But as you could see, price dropped. I almost got in, but I said I should wait. Why am I waiting? Because I need a setup on the 15 minutes time frame, more like a double top on this region. If I could have got a double top earlier before the London session, then I would have been in short. All right, so but looking at it, obviously I'm seeing price coming over to this region. Then probably here we'll have a setup of double top probably, and then I'll go into my entries and stop loss just above, and then we could see price roll over to 136 and 235 region. Yeah, 3570 might just be a mini resistance zone, but the key areas where I'll see price roll over for this week is 3500, and if there's a huge momentum, then we might be expecting price to actually come down all the way to 33. But yeah, I doubt. The highest I could see probably is price coming to touch this trend line one more time. All right, but on the long term perspective, this week, next week, we might see price roll over to 33. All right, I'll see you guys on Wednesday, and I'm getting ready to short this pair very soon on the 15 minutes time frame. I'm standby. You see, we have this bull right now, so I'm looking for entries right now, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday. Ciao. Hello guys, welcome to Pound USD tracking. It's Wednesday. Now currently I was anticipating a rejection here, but now we see price come all the way to this point and rejecting. And let's quickly just look in the 4 hours time frame, right? Let's see what happens here. So on Monday we had a beautiful trade entries around here, and we had the TPs around here and here and so on and so forth. It was a beautiful trade. Now price is currently on the pullback. I'm still expecting price to actually go down in the long term perspective, but a break of this region, maybe price might come all the way to 3750 one more time. But for now, going into this is London session to the New York session, I'll be expecting probably a rejection at this region, yeah, or probably price come back again to this point. That way we might be seeing for looking for opportunities to short. A break of all this region, then we'll be looking for a change of structure. Currently, let's look at this style. On this style here, I made it clearer, right? So we're looking at more price actions here and patterns. So I missed these buys. I saw these entries on buys earlier on the 15 minutes time frame, but yeah, under here we saw a double top bottom there. This was when I would have entered, and the stop loss just below here, and probably being in profit right now. So price is approaching this region, as you can see. I indicated it, but we might be looking for just some new structure formations here in the 15 minutes, and still chance that price wants to go down, and they will probably shoot. An additional confluence to help us in the sales will be price breaking through this. So we have had two trend lines, 1, 2, a break of it, and then we'll be looking for good opportunities to good opportunities to sell. All right. What other patterns can we see? What other patterns can we see? I don't like to keep maybe charts messy, but this should go now. So that was very helpful. And what else? What else? What else? What else? Yeah, I could just keep this. Yeah, I think that's all for now. Yeah, let's see how price reacts coming down. I'll see you guys on Friday, and ciao. Hello guys, and welcome to weekly tracking here on Pound USD. This has happened to be my best trade of the week. Trade happens to go in my favor regardless of the Russian news, and it kind of made USD very strong. So if you look at the 4 hours time frame here, I anticipated on Monday a price dropping all the way to this region, and that's what we're getting right here. To the T, man, to the T, and price rejected into this region and closed at this area. At this moment, there are two things I'm anticipating: price breaking back into this region, we'll see price probably roll down to 31, or price rejecting this region and we could see price come up all the way to this region to pick up liquidity. I'll see what happens before the end of the New Year session today, and I'll catch you guys on Monday. For now, I'm anticipating price rejection at this region and continuation here, probably give it more like a double bottom, and then we can come up here to pick up orders as a retest of this trend line, and then price will continue bearish to this region. Or we probably see that, all right, okay, price are probably just what's it called, already retested this region as a resistance, and then we'll see price trying to roll down back here. All right, otherwise this is what I'm be anticipating on the fib retracement too. I'm adding that week, so we see price is already more like coming into the 50 rejection room, but this might just be the London open pickup orders, and then we'll see price come all the way to 61.8 and probably around between 61.8 and 78% region. We test this region for me. This is where I'm anticipating my rejection at this point, and then I'll short price to give me a TP at minus 27 region here. This is going to be probably, if it happens, it's going to be a perfect kind of trade. So for now, going into this London session right now, I'm anticipating price rejection at this area. If price build up, if that happens, I'll see price come all the way to this region at 135. At 135, we'll have some shorts, and then we could see price probably come all the way to minus 27%. That will probably happen next week. But if there's a lot of liquidity in the market today, you might probably see that happen. I'll see you guys on Monday. Ciao.